Welcome back to another vlog in my kick-ass McKenzie Friend Family Court Information Series, and today we will be looking at the replacement to the Cafcass appointed SPIP course. Yes, it's true, the Separated Parents Information Programme is no more, it's gone, and has been replaced by the Planning Together for Children course. I'm Philip Kedge, the kick-ass Family Court McKenzie Friend, the director of the McKenzie Friend UK network and founder of the national campaign of #LikeNotHate. Now, in my vlogs, nothing constitutes legal advice, as you don't need legal advice and you definitely don't need lawyers in the family court. I give support, guidance and information as an informed friend, and in all of these vlogs, my views and opinions are entirely my own. Let's do it. Cafcass, on behalf of the Ministry of Justice, has launched the new course that aims to encourage warring parents to prioritise their children's needs whilst separating. Planning Together for Children offers e-learning packages, group work and online support for parents going through private family law proceedings. Let's face it, we all know that when parents engage in conflict on separation, that children are harmed, causing anxiety, uncertainty, mental health, emotional harm and torn loyalties. When the parents start behaving like the children in the playground and the children are forced to think like the adults. The family court is one big cesspit of hate, and the dreadful behaviour of so many parents is quite often astonishing as they battle it out and lose complete sight of the welfare of the children. So anything that can in real terms bang heads together to get people to settle their differences out of court is a very good thing. In my opinion, resolving conflict is all about burying the hatchet, stopping the mindless and often moronic throwing of mud and spurious allegations of abuse based on hate. You are separated, move on and start communicating so as not to destroy your children and their childhoods. It's time to engage brain rather than being driven by unfettered, often hysterical emotions based on hurt, feelings, revenge, false victimhood, irrational anxieties and hate. So let's highlight the main features of the course, which is in 3 sections. Firstly, a set of self-directed e-learning modules that focus on topics such as what happens if parents go to court, understanding and managing emotions and looking at things from a child's point of view. Yep, I'm totally up for all of that. Secondly, a group workshop where parents will be encouraged to discuss, think about and extend their learning from the e-learning modules, covering topics such as understanding the impact of conflict on children and communicating in positive ways with each other. Now that sounds brilliant. And thirdly, a supplementary online parenting plan to help parents to make agreements about important parts of their co-parenting relationship and the arrangements for their children, where it is safe to do so. Parents will be encouraged to share an understandable version of the plan with their children. Now, personally, I have big reservations over parenting plans. They may be fine in laying out contact, child living arrangements, but often not in relation to other details such as both parents will ensure that little Johnny brushes his teeth twice a day. Because the day little Johnny doesn't, it can trigger World War III. Bad parenting plans can be like wounds that never heal and keep opening. Now, the parenting plan is available on the Cafcass website, which you can download right now, or if you contact me by completing the form at contactphil.co.uk, I would be more than happy to personally email it to you. So, is this new course actually going to work? Will parents be able to control their emotions and depart from the traditional adversarial and destructive approach through the family courts. I can only hope, but my biggest question is this. Will the family lawyers and the £2 billion a year family law market, which is dependent on the existence and I would argue the creation of acrimony and conflict, going to allow it to work and support it? Unfortunately, I rather suspect not. Let's not be naive. So, if you are daft enough to turn to a family solicitor, do you really think they want you to work it all out amicably and allow you to walk out the door in peace and harmony? Of course not. They want you to transfer as much money from your bank account into theirs, and the only business model to achieve that is to get you into court to battle it out. Remember, family lawyers have absolutely no professional duty of care to any child. How disgraceful is that? My argument is that until the judiciary and the family court breaks its institutionalised dependency on lawyers and instead starts to meaningfully and positively signpost people away from them with a clear, irrebuttable message that you don't need to pay for lawyers in the family court and that there is no advantage to having a lawyer, I can't see anything significantly changing. And on that depressing but realistic note, let's start wrapping this up, and I will keep you updated on developments of this new Planning Together for Children course. Now, if you would like a one-to-one case review with myself, or would like me to find you a trusted McKenzie friend, or indeed you would like to become a McKenzie friend, then contact me right now at contactphil.co.uk. See you again very soon.